Imagine you've worked your entire life to build a savings account. You played by the rules. You put your money in the safest bank, the one with the marble pillars and the armed guards. Now imagine you get into an argument with the bank manager. Maybe you park in his spot. Maybe you look at him wrong. You wake up the next morning and your balance is zero. Not because you spent it, because the manager froze it. He deleted your admin privileges to your life's work. Now zoom out. Stop imagining you're a person. For decades, the US dollar, it's the safe bank. But recently, the BRICS alliance is quietly dumping US debt. They are selling the very thing that holds the US economy together. And they are buying the only asset that has no off switch: gold. They froze $300 billion of Russia's reserves. How did that look to Riyadh? China holds over $700 billion in US treasuries. A sudden, terrifying realization. That money isn't mine. It's just a digital entry on a server in New York. The House announces, "We're keeping your chips." Why are they doing it? Is it revenge? We're about to dive into the most dangerous financial war of the century. February 2022, the moment the music stopped. Russia invades Ukraine. The financial world changed forever. The US and allies pressed the nuclear button of finance. Would you keep playing or find a different currency? The dollar stopped being neutral. It became a leash. Gold cannot be frozen. Gold cannot be hacked. Reason 2, the math. The US debt spiral. The US national debt is north of $35 trillion. Human brains can't understand a trillion. The US fiscal situation has gone from worrying to catastrophic. We are spending like a drunken sailor. We add $1 trillion to the debt every 100 days. Every 100 days, let that sink in. Inflation hit. The Fed had to jack up rates. We spend more on interest than on national defense. More than the army. Would you lend money to a broke government? The only way out is to print the money, which makes every dollar worth less. Why would China hold an asset guaranteed to lose value? They are looking for a store of value. 1970s. The secret deal that built the petrodollar. The deal? We protect you. Every country needed dollars to buy oil. It was the ultimate cheat code for the American economy. China is now their best customer. Why convert to dollars? Just pay in yuan. The BRICS alliance is an energy alliance. If the world stops needing dollars for oil, trillions of dollars flood back home. Hyperinflation. To control the world.